Hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to create a sticker or decal effect. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is grab any picture that you want to make a decal effect of. In this case, I want to make a decal of this AK, and then I'll grab a rectangle select, head over the AK, like so, but make sure it's on that correct layer. So now that it is, and then I press Control C. So now it will go ahead and cut out the AK. And then once I go ahead and unselect it and head over into my clipboard, I should be able to see the AK. And once I select that and go to my pencil and go to the correct layer, you'll be able to see that now I've created an AK sort of sticker effect. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a tutorial on GIMP. Thank you guys so much for watching.